gon' bust it for the team, or what? Let my ass bitch on scene, for what? You gon' drop it to your knees, or what? Make it
Hey Liz, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Danyelanyssa, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. And if y'all saw my new intro, I did that yesterday. So like, you know, I wanted to spice it up. I wanted to put like a little bit of personality of me in there and then pop a song, you know, like so I'm feeling it. So today I decided to use the Bedhead Crimper Wave Artist. And if you want to see my opinion, my impression, keep on watching, guys. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Let's get right into it. So we're gonna be trying out this Bedhead Wave Artist to see if we can get some baddie waves. If I can get some baddie waves with this, it's gonna complete my look. So I'm excited to try this because I always wanted a crimper. So I decided to try the Bedhead one. And this one was $24.86, I believe. And we're gonna test it out today with my baddie outfit box. So this is what it is. It has open, and then there's a lock. That's good. That's what I first impression. I like that. So when you go like traveling, you can have it closed so it won't be open and stuff won't like scratch it up. And it's an on and off button right here. So we're gonna plug this in, see if this can crimp my hair. So I'm gonna put this Tresemme heat protectant. Oh my god, if you haven't tried this, it smells so good. Oh my god, it's like the best. So I'm gonna spray this on the ends of my hair and back, so we can have some protectant on our hair. I am so excited to try this. I've been wanting to try a crimper for a long time in my hair. So I'm gonna grab, I guess, this amount piece, and we're gonna try it. So, y'all see that? OMG. OMG, guys. Y'all see that? This is, oh my god, it looks so good. So I'm gonna keep doing it. Whoa. I don't know how much hair to do, but I'm gonna do a time lapse so y'all won't be like waiting. So this is my half my hair done. It looks so cute. Oh my god, look at me. Yes. So I already sprayed hairsprayed it with my hairspray. Wait, so I'm gonna do the rest of my half and I'm gonna tell y'all what I think about it and the final finish. So I'm kind of like already impressed. my hair is done and I am loving it. Oh my god. Like, look at this. Cute, baddie, beachy waves kind of feel. Like, that's my kind of vibe. Like, I want to look like a baddie, but have some, like, beachy waves for the summer. You feel me? So, like, look at it. This is what it looks like. Oops, I dropped something. And I'll show y'all the back. See how it looks like in the back. Can y'all see it? It's a bomb, guys. If I were you and if you want a cheap crimper, you should get this bedhead one. I'm digging it, guys. Oh my god, I freaking feel like a baddie. Like, look. Yes, I'm feeling this look, guys. Oh my god. If you want to look like a baddie like me, get some crimp hair, go crop it at your local grocery store, Target, Walmart. Oh yes, I am feeling it. Oh my god, let's jam. Yes. Feeling this look. Oh my god. Oh, okay, so this is my OOTD from Pretty Little Thing, Amazon. My hoops are from Walmart. Levi jeans, and I'm gonna wear Tilly's. So that's my baddie B look, you know. If you want to look like me, you go crop this bedhead wave artist crimper. So cheap, bomb. Oh my god, guys, I'm like really feeling myself. I might take Instagram pictures with this because, you know, I look so good today. It feels like a Friday, but it's not a Friday. But I am excited. Yes, look at that. Oh my god, I can't wait to do like beachy waves. Watching, I hope you enjoy this video. I freaking love this. I'm freaking hyped, as you can tell. We play some music. I'm feeling myself today. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to on your bell notification to be notified every time we post a new video so we can be like this all the time. Y'all feel me, guys? Okay, yes. So I'll see y'all guys next time. Don't forget to watch any of my recent videos if you haven't, so you can be up to date. Don't forget to check out my foundation review because this foundation, Dose of Colors, is freaking bomb. I have it on today. It's guys. It's so good. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.